Is your comforter freeze-proof? The most direct way to test is to get under it and sleep in a freezer. Today, we've prepared two comforters. One is the Casablanca Nova 1+1 Therm Quilt, and the other is a regular cotton quilt of the same weight, in the same low-temperature environment. We'll see how their insulation performs. The current temperature in the cold chain freezer is below 5 degrees Celsius. We're going to have two models stay inside for over 10 minutes, and then we'll check the changes in their body surface temperatures. The results show that the temperature difference between the two comforters is quite large. The Nova 1+1 Therm Quilt warming effect is clearly superior.